Hello out there, all you fantastic geography fans, and welcome to another how-to video. Today we are doing how to make a scatter graph, one of the key geographical skills that we all need to know and love in geography. Scatter graphs are specifically targeted at Year 10s, so if you are completing the Year 10 geography syllabus at the moment, at some point you will have to construct a scatter graph. I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly today. They are pretty simple to do on Microsoft Excel. So I'll just run through what I've got in front of me here so far. So down here I've just got my title of my scatter graph ready to go. So I'm going to do a scatter graph on life expectancy versus GDP of just some North American countries that I've selected. I apologise for not putting them in alphabetical order. It's a bit naughty of me. But that's what I've got ready to go. So I've got the GDP here. That's going to be my x-axis, and my y-axis is going to be life expectancy in years. You'll notice I've got dollars and then years ready to go in my axis titles as well. So all I need to do is just highlight that data. It's very easy. And then I'm going to go to this one here called Insert Scatter. So I'm going to Insert Graph Scatter, and I'm just going to pop that one in there. It's going to be ready to go. So that's pretty much the bones of your scatter graph. I'm going to go ahead and start by copying this title and putting it straight into here. The next thing I'm going to do is click on the graph, and I'm going to click this plus sign because I need some axis titles, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste these straight from my data points ready to go. Start by copying it first. Life expectancy will go on the y-axis here. Cool. The next thing I need to do, you'll see if I insert a line of best fit at the moment, it's going to be a dotted line, and I don't want that, so I'm just going to click on this like third option here. If you go chart design, it'll bring up a nice solid line for you. To insert the line of best fit, all you need to do is click on any of the data points, and you just right click and then you go add tread line, and your line of best fit will automatically pop up for you. So that is how you make a scatter graph on Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching, guys, and remember, if you want to stay updated to any new skills videos that are made or any new how-to videos, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Thank you.